Hello everyone. Mm, This is Seberg amplifier 201 amplifier and format selection receivers TRS6. Yeah. My customer need to connect the Bluetooth to here with no modify the circuit of the amplifier. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Is the I can add the Bluetooth mode to here. Use the like this. Yeah. Remote volume connection. Yeah. Don't need to modify the circuit of amplifier. Uh, only feel cable. Add two cable. Yeah. To the amplifier is this cable for supply 100 100 117 volt to main transformer here.